Hi students, now I am going to present meaning of not-for-profit organization and final accounts of not-for-profit organization. Not-for-profit organizations refers to the organizations that are used for the welfare of the society and are set up as charitable institutions which function without any profit motive. That means these are the organizations which are established mainly to provide service, not to earn profit. Their main aim is to provide service to the public at large. Some examples of not-for-profit organizations are clubs, schools, hospitals, charitable institutions, etc. Next topic, final accounts of not-for-profit organization. Actually, there are three final accounts. First one, receipt and payment account. Second one, income and expenditure account. Third one, balance sheet. First, we will study about receipt and payment account, then format, then problems related to receipt and payment account. Receipt and payment account is the summary of cash and bank transactions which helps in the preparation of income and expenditure account and balance sheet. That means through receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account is prepared and balance sheet is prepared. It is prepared at the end of accounting year. Accounting year means financial year. It is prepared to find out closing cash balance and bank balance. Receipt and payment account format is here debit side. It starts with opening cash and bank balance and it ends with closing cash and bank balance. Debit side, you have to record whatever received through cash or bank, that should be recorded, debit side. Credit side, whatever paid through cash or bank, that should be recorded, credit side. Some examples of debit side items are subscriptions received, general donation received, sale of newspaper, periodicals, waste paper, sale of old sports materials, etc. Credit side, if there is opening balance of bank overdraft, that should be recorded credit side because it is a liability. And wages paid, salary paid, rent paid, whatever paid through cash or bank, that should be recorded credit side. In next class, we will study or we will discuss about the problems on a receipt and payment account. Till then, you study the topics whatever given in the previous class. Okay, thank you.